welcome back after the new year. So I'm going to start in January of 2024 with some new videos. As I have said before at the end of the video, and I'm going to say it at the beginning, if you like my videos and you really like what's going on with the things I'm building, please subscribe, hit that like button at the bottom of the video, and if you need to leave a comment or you would like to leave a comment, please do. I will answer those comments as they come forward. Let's get building though, because I'm excited about this. So I'm building the 4th floor. I stopped counting at one point because this thing that's the Daily Bugle building is like, wow, it's huge. It's a very big building. I'm not sure how I'm going to put this on my Lego table, but I'm going to try to make it work. So, yeah, I'm just dropping stuff. Okay, so I'm making this wall here because this is going to go there, just like that. And then I've got so I'm gonna guess. Of course it's gonna fall apart on me. Sit. This is gonna be like this. This is gonna be like this. I'm just gonna put these on here. That. And these two are gonna go here. This, and then once I get this done, I'm pretty sure I'm going to shore this up like I did in the other buildings to make sure that this is all secure, put together. And now I have my up and down arrows, which will go like that. And this one goes the opposite way. Up and down arrows, as you can see. I'm going to straighten those a little bit because they don't look straight to me. There we go. Okay, that looks better. Alright, so now I've got this desk to build, and I'm going to have a sticker. So I'm going to get started with this desk. The desk is really cool. And the desk is really cool looking. So put this down for a minute. Take this and this. And this is going to go like that. Okay. And this is going to go like this. I'm going to put this here like this. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. Okay, so this goes here. Got it. Okay, so there's a one by one stud. One by one stud. This will always come apart on you when you're trying to do this. Okay, and then I need this one on the other side, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take this piece here. Yep, see, this all falls apart when you try to handle it while you're trying to do this, and it can get a little bit aggravating. All like that. That's how that's supposed to look. Just like that. Okay, and then this goes on its side, and this goes like, doggone it. This goes like that, and this goes like that. And as you can see, it's a rounded desk. I'm going to put this here. think it's supposed to go like that. There we go. Okay, and then I've got this, and I'm supposed to put, let's figure out which sticker. Missed calls. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line this up in the screen as much as possible, and there you go. Okay, that's going to go back here. This is going to go just like that. I usually try to pinch it together with my fingers, but I'm going to put it like that. Bingo. Like that. See? And then you got the desk. And this is going to sit right here. That. I'll put this all together so it'll look kind of like a desk that's sitting there like that. And that's pretty cool. I like that. There's going to be a chair here, and I'm going to do some more stuff with this top. But I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.